And she just does it really horrible. She just puts the activator in, the glue in, and then the what's it called, the borax in, and then she puts all the glitter in, and then she puts, you know, like beads in, and then food colour in. She puts the lid on, gives it to a person, so when they mess with it, it's so bad. Now Demi here, she has the right formula, and all she uses is soap.
I use soap.
And all Kendra uses is soap. Now Demi's going to tell her why am I not in love with her slime. Go.
So it's not like Kendra has a bad formula. It's just that she doesn't mix it in as well. She doesn't put as much borax in, so it kind of like has a melted consistency. Gets stuck to all of your clothes. While with my formula, if you put it on like a clothes for even if you went like that, look, watch. Even if you went like that with Kendra's slime, like that, it'll get stuck. Which mine doesn't. See, mine doesn't.
Well, it kind of does.
It doesn't, watch. So can you see that part? I made that intentionally. Do you see that part here where it's stuck? All you have to do is scratch it and scratch it and scratch
So now hers,
look, it comes off.
she
See?
didn't use food colouring. She used like real food colour, and it gets everywhere.
I know it's St. John's. And look, can you see any glue? Can you see?
Nope.
Exactly. Where has it gone? Nowhere. Because mine scratches off.
Because this one is a good slime, so we've nearly fixed it. But there's one more thing.
Where's my slime? Oh, and this is this. So now what we're going to do for this half of the video is we're going to compare a 6-month-old slime with a day-old slime. This is a 6-month-old slime. Let me turn on the light.
So
Click.
this slime is really good. It's like
Yeah, 1 minute. This is a 6-month slime. This is a day-old slime.
and this one is like really good. So yeah. But guys, I might be doing a giveaway, so yeah, you can head for that giveaway right now. Comment down below which slime you like better. The sparkly slime
Or the
6-month-old slime.
6-month-old sparkly brownish purpley slime, which
So
is
now we're
for
going,
6 months. It's not doing that bad.
So now we're going to swap and poke it for our first time.
This is kind of slime.
And this is Demi's slime.
She's got her hair in it.
Of course, because that's why I want it to be, you know, nice. So right now I want to pick it up, but it didn't go out the thing.
I want to pick up Skylar's, but Skylar's have hair in it. Look what I found. Skylar's slime.
But guys, if you see a man with a mustache, never trust him.
This is what I found in Skylar's slime.
But guys,
Hair.
remember, never trust a man with a mustache.
So I should never trust you.
What?
Oh, Skylar.
Get off! Okay, can you get the tub? I'll wash my hands.
No.
Oh, so Demi knows a lot about slime. So she knows a lot about slime. I don't really.
Yeah, because I've been making slime for 3 years.
And it's on my clothes. Well done, Demi.
Well done, you. I told you not to pick it up.
You didn't tell me that.
Yes, I did.
So guys, we're just going to end it here with this situation. So yeah.